Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers haven't subscribed and looking at it, wondering should I subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen? Yes, you should subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Mr. Belle have an easy way of cooking and everything, showing you how to cook it step by step. Mr. Belle be cooking in this Power XL today I'll be doing something entirely different. You know, kids don't like to eat a lot of vegetables. You put them on the table. You may put green beans, carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, all that different kind of things on the table. And the kids, they eat everything else, but they leave the veggies on the table and everything. So today I'll be doing something entirely different in this Power XL. But if you put something sweet on the table, the kids will grab it and eat it real quick and everything. So today I'll be doing something like, I'll be cooking sauteing some carrots today. And these carrots is gonna be like yams. And kids love sweets. They forget about the carrots. They forget about they eating vegetables. So if you have any vegetables in your house and you're wondering what you're gonna do with them, do not throw them away. It's all kind of ways you can use your vegetables. And if you cook this dish, these kids, they'll be eating carrots. They'll be asking, Mom, Dad, can you saute some carrots and everything? We're gonna make these carrots so sweet and everything. It's just like this. That's all you do is grate it just like that. It's easy and it's good. I'm gonna put that down for a minute and I'm just gonna start slicing this up like this. I'm gonna cut that back side off. Then I'm gonna cut the front side off and everything. So what I'm going to do, Mr. Belle, I take you step by step, this nice sized carrot and everything. I'm going to just cut it in portions like this. So this right here is going to be like the side of a candy yam and everything. And I'm going to put it in that bowl. As you see, I already have some cut up and everything. Just like that. Cut it like that and just cut it straight in half. Just slice it in half like this, like that, and put it in that water, get it washed off and everything. And these are gonna be delicious. As you see, just cut it just like this. Nice size. Nice size. And just cut it like that. Nice side. As you see, they nice and good in the bowl and everything. And I'll be sauteing it. And this right here is gonna be some good carrots. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put this to the side. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start this Power XL. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on saute. All my first time watchers and wondering how to take this top off, that's all you do. 1, 2, lift up. It's just that easy. I'm going to put it to the side. As you know, I couldn't cook saute with that top on, so I'm going to put this on saute. It's on saute. I'm going to set my temperature for 375. 375. And I'm going to set this for 45 minutes. 45 minutes. I'm going to press start and let that heat up and everything. But today my ingredients, you could use how many carrots you want to use. Today I have about 5 or 6 carrots in here. As you see, it's in a bowl. I'm going to pour this water out after I wash them all and everything. They looking nice size and everything. Just cut size of a candy yam. And I'm using 1 cup of brown sugar, and I'm going to eyeball some butter and put it in. I'm using a half a teaspoon nutmeg and a half a teaspoon cinnamon. And if you have any extract, vanilla extract or anything, you can use just a dab of that in there too to give it a nice good taste too. But I don't have any extract. I thought I had brought some, but my daughter's been cooking their little things and everything. They used it up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this butter in here and let this butter start melting. So when I put the carrots in here, it'll just start cooking, sauteing and everything. So I put the butter in right now. As you know, I took the top off. For those of you that have the top, I will be using this top right here. As you see, it's washed already. You see the water dripped off it a little. But when you open it up, because of the steam and everything, you would want to open it this way. So it drips inside, not in the back side. If you're opening it up this way, it's going to get all into the little electrical part you see back here. So I always put it to the side. And when you're cooking this, you can use any kind of ingredients you want to use or how much you want to use. It depends on how big your family is and how small your family is. And I want to thank everybody for leaving all the good comments and everything, and hope I'll be getting back and best to my knowledge, getting back to you in the most proper way. And I'll be right back. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put these carrots in. As you see, I pulled the water out, so I'm just going to put them in here just like that. I'm going to stir it up a minute. The butter is melted already. So I'm going to stir this up just like this. And just like this, you know, Mr. Bell like to take you step by step. As you see, I'm going to move my camera so you can see as it cooking in the bowl. Actually, you won't see my face, but you will hear me speaking. And I'm going to put the top on it. Put the top on it like this. And I'm going to just let that cook for a minute. And I'm going to move my camera and I'll be right back. But before I leave, I would like to say one thing. While this is cooking, for all my first time watchers, wash your dishes as it cooking. Don't leave it for your spouse. Don't leave it for your kids. Don't leave it for your roommate. Because they might be hungry. They might turn down the food because they're wondering who's going to wash the dishes. So if you wash the dishes as you go, everyone can enjoy your food. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to take the top off and we're going to take a sneak peek and see how they're coming out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stir this up and everything just like this. And you can add just a little bit water in it. So what I'm going to do, just add just a little water. I'm going to take a little water and put it in there just like that, because when I put the top on, it's going to make its own water from the steam. So I'm just adding just a little bit water, your eyeball. And like I said, it depends on how much you're cooking, how many you cooking and everything. And like that, and I'm going to let this just cook just like that. See how nice and pretty that's looking and everything. This right here is going to be delicious. And there's so many things you can do when you're cooking carrots or any kind of vegetables. You can cook them all different kind of ways. Mr. Bell have a lot of different ways of cooking carrots and everything. Making delicious dishes and everything with these carrots and everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to sit this top on for a couple more minutes and I'll be right back. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this top off, sit it to the side. As you see, it's looking nice and good and everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just start adding my little seasoning in there like that. Put that in there, little. Pour it in there just like that, get them nice and good. Take my sugar and put in there. And I'm going to just stir that up. Put the top back on, let that just cook a little bit more. Just let that cook. What I'm going to do, I'm going to set the top back on. And this right here should be done. And it's been 20 minutes, so I'm gonna take it out in a few more minutes. Okay, it's been 28 minutes. So I'm gonna take this top off. As you see, it's looking nice and good. And I'm gonna cut this off, because this is done. Look like it's done. I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna press cancel. Altogether it's been 28 minutes. So this is done in 28 minutes. And this right here is gonna be so delicious on the side for a nice little dessert. Take it out. Let me switch my camera so you can see. So I'm gonna take it out now. It's looking good and everything. Now this right here look just like candy yams. And I'm just put it right in this bowl right here. And that is delicious. Pour that little juice on there. Cause you want all that tasting. And I'm gonna put this to the side. Put that to the side. And this is Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe and you've been wondering how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you'll subscribe to Mr. Belleskitchen. Thank you. And Mr. Bell gonna taste it just to see how it tastes and everything, how it came out while I have you on camera. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna give me a couple pieces out here and just put a little of this juice on it and everything. It's looking nice and good and delicious. So I'm gonna see. And it's nice and soft too. It's hot, but I'm gonna try it. That is good. That's a nice side dish on the kids' plate and everything. This is nice. Thank you.